If you've been hurt in an accident and somebody else caused that, you want to make sure you're hiring the right law firm, because the last thing that you want to happen is to be hurt again because your lawyer doesn't represent you appropriately. There's 7 red flags to keep an eye out for to make sure you've hired the right injury lawyer. First, when you call your lawyer, do they take your call? Or the paralegal working on your case, do they take your call? And sometimes they can't. Sometimes they're busy. But the key is, if they're not available when you call, do they call you right back? If they don't, that's a red flag. You should be getting called back promptly when you call your lawyer. Secondly, does your law firm keep in touch with you? Do you have to initiate every call to them, or do they keep in touch with you? Are you informed about your case? Do you know what's going on? Are you getting guidance? If you're not, if your law firm is not calling you regularly, I don't mean every day or every week, but regularly enough that you feel as if you're informed. And if it's not regularly enough, if you ask to be called more often, you should be. If that's not happening, that's red flag number 2. Third, go visit your lawyer's office. Is it organized, clean? If it's not, that's a red flag. Think about it. If your lawyer's office isn't well organized, isn't impressive, isn't clean, then your presentation, then their representation of you won't be clean, won't be well organized, won't be impressive. It all starts in our office. All the work is in our office. And if our office doesn't look the way it should, your representation won't turn out the way it should. Red flag number 4. Is your law firm a small firm? 1 or 2 lawyers, 1 or 2 paralegals? There are some very good small firms. I'm not saying that your law firm isn't right for you because they're small, but I am saying make sure that they're ready to go to war for you, that they have the team and the ability to do whatever it takes, including trying your case to verdict. If they're not set up to give you the resources and with the team you need to take care of you, that's red flag number 4. Fifth, are you able to find verifiable, proven results that your law firm has obtained in cases like yours? This is really important. If you go to our website and click on the Victories tab, you're going to see verifiable results. In fact, if you click over the number below the map on that page, you can actually read about each case. You want to make sure that your law firm has gotten impressive results in cases like yours. And if you can't verify that and you can't trust that they've been down the road that you need them to take you down, beware. Make sure that you can verify that your lawyer has won and won often. And not only will you be the one that will be checking that tab, but the insurance companies, defense attorneys, even sometimes the judges will look at that tab and will look at that information to see if your law firm is really who they want to go up against. And in fact, many of them already know. They know that they see us in court all the time. They'll know that you guys will go to war for you. Imagine being a juror. This is red flag number 6. If you were a juror, would you be impressed with your lawyer? Would you trust your lawyer? Would you want to take care of your lawyer's clients? If your lawyer doesn't impress you, doesn't seem ready to go to battle, doesn't seem to really have their act together, if you don't like them, if you don't like them, I can pretty much guarantee you a jury's not going to like them. Make sure you believe in your lawyer, that you trust your lawyer, that you're impressed with your lawyer. Otherwise, it's not the right lawyer for you. That's red flag number 6. And number 7, lawyers don't get paid, injury lawyers don't get paid until they get a recovery, till they settle your case or get a verdict and the verdict is paid. Some law firms aren't built to handle that. They don't want to wait. They want to get paid. Make sure if your lawyer is pressing you to take a settlement, if it doesn't feel right in your gut, take the time to call 1 or 2 other firms, get some second opinions, tell them a little bit about your case, about the offer you're being told to take, and see what they have to say about it. Make sure that you're getting fairly compensated for all you've been through. Because the lawyers have incentive to get paid, you want to make sure it's a law firm that's ready to go as far as it takes to get you taken care of. I hope this information has been helpful. Thanks.